This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel.
Okay, first off, how often do you have keyword sheets? For example, I've got these 3 keyword sheets. I'll open one, for example, but where you have a list of keywords across multiple sheets. And what you're looking to do is put them all into the same sheet, remove duplicates, and combine it so you can get all your keywords into one sheet that then you can use to do some research. Yes, you can copy paste from this one into the next one and then do that across all your sheets and accomplish the same task. Here I only have 3, but you can imagine how difficult and frustrating it could be and time consuming if you have, let's say, 10, 15, 20 different spreadsheets here. So that's where this tool comes into place. When you receive the zip file, you're going to extract all. So you'll need to first unzip it, extract it. I'm going to put it in this folder here. So you can see here's the extracted file. When you open that, this is going to be your software. So you'll open this to run the software. If you do have virus protection running on your computer, you may need to allow this file in your virus protection allow list because it may flag it. So we're going to open that file. Once it opens, it's very simple, straightforward user interface. You're just going to hit Combine Sheets. When you open the Combined Sheets, now all you're going to do is you're going to select the folder. So for my example, let's do this, move this out of the way for a second. I'm going to select this folder here in my recording that has my keyword sheets in it. So you need to create a folder, put your Excel sheets all in that same folder, and then you can select that folder. So let's go back to the software, and I'm going to say Combine Sheets. I'm going to go to Desktop, Recording. So here's my keyword sheets. I'm going to select that folder, say Select Folder, and this data has been combined and saved into a new combined sheet within that keyword sheets folder. You can also see in the black here, kind of gives you the status. So data combined and saved successfully. So you can see kind of as it's working. Then if we go back here to keyword sheets, now you see combined. So now what I have is one sheet that has all the keywords. So this has 34 keywords in it, right? In this example, each of these I think had like, 5 to 10 in there. So they've all been combined into one sheet. And any duplicates, so if they were the same keyword multiple times, has been removed. So now you have a combined sheet that only has each keyword one time with the information.
This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.